Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Dilaver. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the paid courses for free on Coursera. First of all, go to the website of Coursera, then write the code that you want to learn. Like I'm going to learn the Adobe Photoshop, so I've searched this and here come the courses. There are specialization in Coursera, like there are 3 to 4 courses in one specialization, depends on your choice. So here is the course specialization for graphic designing, and there are and this course is not for free. You can do the trial version or go for financial aid, but we are not going to do these options. So there are three courses for this specialization. I'm going to click on the first options that we have, fundamentals of graphic design. So here comes this course. You can do this for one by one. So here comes the course. Go to the financially enroll for free options. Then here is the start free trial. There is an option for audit under the start free trial. Click on the audit option. Here comes the course. Now you can avail this course. Now you can do this course without any hesitation or without any hurdle. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and let me know on which topic you want me to make a video. Thank you. Bye bye.